Hello everyone, this is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install OmeTV on your Android phone without any problem in 2026. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open your Chrome browser. Here I'm going to open it. And now in the search bar, you have to search OmeTV download up to down. Now search it and you have to open the first page. Normally I'm selecting it. And now scroll down a bit. Here you will get an option, get the latest version, choose it. And again you have to scroll down and then you have to choose all variants. Here I'm also choosing it and choosing the first one as my default APK. So I'm choosing this version. And now if you scroll down again, you will see a new button named download. So I'm going to choose that button and it will give me the permission to download. All right. So here you can see that it is going to download. I'm downloading it again. And after downloading, I'm going to install it. So here you can see that the file has been downloaded and now I'm installing it, clicking on the install button, and that's super easy, super simple. In this time, you may see a pop-up saying you are not allowed to install unknown apps on Chrome. Just allow it by going to your settings and then open it. So that's all for today's video. Here you can see that I already have installed the latest version of OmeTV on my Android phone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.